Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday, beginning of April, market webcast. Daily chart, you can see the blue line there underneath is the 9-day. The green line is the 20-day or the daily midband. We are stuck in between those numbers. We have been stuck in between those numbers for about 6 sessions now. Whoever wins this bracket of price is going to win the next move. Bulls want this to go support. They sure tried yesterday, and they want to continue to press that advantage up towards 26.50, 26.95. If the bears are going to be successful, they need to convert the 9-day. Let's go to the hourly chart. New monthly pivots up there, 26.22. You see the daily midband. Here's the 9-day. It's getting tested now. It was tested on that ADP walk down. And you see the weekly pivot underneath 24.42. So it's been a very steady walk down in Globex from 25.60 right back down to the 9-day at 24.66. So far, the Bulls maintain ultimate tape control as long as we stay above that weekly pivot. But coming down and testing and probing some of these lower prices and perhaps walking the whole thing down into jobs on Friday doesn't seem all that unreasonable in the big scheme of things. I assume nothing. I never do. We'll just go out and trade and do what we do. We had another solid day yesterday, finishing up. I'll spare you the details. It was a record month at Princeton Trader, and it wasn't even close. But that's a byproduct of the tape. But it's also a byproduct of how we handle risk and how we handle execution and manage trades. So congratulations to all the subscribers. I'm proud of you guys. So as we head into April, it's Wednesday. You'd like to see the weekly pivot resolved by noon on a Wednesday. Maybe it still will be, but now it's certainly back in play down here. As we're trading as deep as 67.25. As far as the open goes, volume weighted average price up at 2,500. Proprietary moving average has acted as pretty steady resistance. Right now that sits at 89, call it. It was resistance on the last 3 pops up, including the upside reaction from ADP. The upside reaction to ADP stalled at our proprietary moving average. At the time, so it was basically at 89, which is where it is now. So keep an eye on that. It's all about weekly pivot. Keep an eye on the reaction low, 67.25, 89 on the upside. Has the potential to be a little bit whippy off the open today, but this type of day, typically by the end of the day, there's going to be a clear winner and a clear loser. Right now, the clear winner is the Bears. We'll have to see if they can press their Globex advantage into the regular session. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be healthy, be safe, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.